2 days in a row. Holy shit. You literally never see it. Hello. Hey, Chad. I'm just gonna be hiding behind the stream starting screen just a little bit longer as I get one last thing set up, so hang tight. Okay, today's stream is going to be a little different. I'm usually just ready to hop in and go play some Pokemon, and believe me, I'm ready to do that. I have the scene ready. We got some spicy decks to play. We got my favorite, Lost Tina with Roaring Moon, but we also have Sandy Doggos, and I really like playing this deck. It's real fun. I'll have to showcase this later. But right now, I figured I'd do a little bit of programming, and then we hop into the Pokemans. So, let's do a little bit of programming. So I'm gonna hop back over to my coding scene here. I'm just gonna be floating in the void because I don't have a good background for this, and I have an ultra-wide monitor, which means that it doesn't fill up the entire screen for most people. So, here is my program. Yeah, this program I've been working on for like a month and a half, and then I had to stop because of school, which sucks because I really think this program is sick. What programming language is it in? It's in Java. So this is in Java. Let me show you guys what I have so far. So, just hide the code real quick and then go to my monitor. That way you guys can see this thing run. Hopefully it runs. I think it should. Okay, here we go. So the problem is this fills up my entire screen. You need to adjust this real quick. Yeah, so, actually, you know what? Hold that thought. I'm gonna change this code a little bit, but I think this is real sick. Give me 1 second to find the line with the PNG here. So I need to find Pokemon background. Pokemon background, JLabel added this, and then we add the JLabel. Pokemon Battlefield, so I need to do that. I'll comment that out for now. Okay, so now my background should be white. Yes, okay, cool. So, this is... Oh man, hopefully I don't get sued for this, but fuck it, Weeball. The people need to know. The people need to see it. This is a tabletop simulator where you can play, air quotes, Pokemon. It's not Pokemon for legality purposes, but the idea is that you can test whatever decks you want, whether the cards have been out or not. So, I'm not a huge fan of how TCG Live handles some things, so I decided, why not take on the programming challenge and just make something similar? And this is what I have so far. It looks way better on a 16:9 screen, but let me show you what this does. So hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah. So we have our opponent's deck over here. You can't interact with it, which, you know, that's good, as every sim should be. But this is your deck. Most people are righties, so this is why I have the deck placement the way it is. I will probably add lefty integration, hopefully. It shouldn't be that hard, I just mirror everything. But, so, with any tabletop sim, whether it's Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh! Magic, whatever, right? You want to be able to click and drag a card from a deck. Let's say this is my deck here. I can click and drag the card. Looks like the top deck was an Arceus V. I don't have a field center right now. I guess a field center is a Yu-Gi-Oh! Term, but I don't have a like playmat or like field in play right now. But generally when you're playing Pokemon, your active spot is somewhere in the middle of your playmat at the top, and then you would start by, you know, drawing your 7. So let's say this is 1, 2, 3, and yes, I did somehow get drawing to work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only have 7 cards so far implemented. I will be using the min rarities of these cards instead of the max rarity of these cards, but anyway, I digress. So let's say Arceus V was my basic, and it is my only basic. We put it into the active, we would set up our prize cards, and then we would go from there. Let's say we were going first. You would draw for turn, assuming, you know, I had more cards to draw. I would maybe do something like attach a V-Guard from my hand. So, what I'm missing right now is kind of like having these cards snap to like some area. And I would like to figure out how to do that. Because right now these cards are kind of just floating around. I could put them in my opponent's space right now. And I'm not a fan of that. So, I think we're going to try to figure out how to snap some cards into a play area. And right now I kind of have no idea how to do that, so we're probably just going to stack overflow, figure something out from there, and then maybe, excuse me, maybe kind of design something from based off of what I find. So, yeah, programmer things. We just do a lot of Googling and then figure out a way to implement that without completely pirating someone's code. Yeah, most of this I wrote by myself. So I have my deck class. So classes, if you're not a programmer, hold certain information, and it makes it easier for you to do things in your main class, which is how the program runs. So over here, Pokemon main, that right there. This is my main program. So everything in the application is run through here. And then you could think of these classes as folders that store parts of a program. So right now I have a deck class which stores things like card information, and it has a method, which is kind of like a function, I guess you can think of it as, to shuffle the deck, which every deck needs to have, and then every deck also needs to have a way to draw a card. So I have a function to draw a card. So let's run the program one more time. You can see that I have a button that lets me click it, and it says draw card. Then I have a button that says shuffle deck. Right now, none of these things are working, apparently. Deck after drawing. My shuffle isn't working because I don't have a seed. That's right. Okay, yeah. So, another really cool thing about my simulator is that you can type in a seed. So, let's say the seed was just this random number, right? It generates a seed, which think of it, if you've ever played Minecraft, a seed generates a unique world. In this case, a seed generates a unique shuffle per game instance. So let's say this game was seeded 987234, That means every time I shuffle the deck, it will have that same shuffle, no matter how you start the game. So at the start of the game, if you click shuffle, you will always get the shuffle. And the reason why I wanted that is because I want you to be able to run the same game back. So playing the same game again. Because sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where you're like, okay, I have a couple lines I could take, but I don't know which line is correct. So you could play the same game again, get the same shuffle, and then test out a different line and see what happens next. So there is that. Once again, it's not working perfectly, which sucks, but we will have to see how to fix that at a later date. I'm actually kind of interested. If I type in a seed, let's say my test seed was like that, 78923, and I shuffle my deck and I draw a card. So after I shuffle the deck, my deck order is 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7. After I draw a card, my deck is now 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, because 4 is no longer, which is correct, which means my draw function works. That's all that means. I could try to increase the size of this stuff so that you guys can see it better. You can see the seed is right here. It's printed out in my terminal. And this is my temporary deck. It is just a bunch of numbers right now, but at the end of this program, it should be able to just behave like actual cards. So right now, you can shuffle the deck. This is the deck order as printed out in my terminal. Oh. I must have left this comment in when I made my draw function. Draw a card. Because the clicking, when you detect a click from a mouse, it gets detected in the main function. Right here. So this detects whether my mouse clicked a certain button. So the draw button is that button right there that says draw a card. And my shuffle button is my shuffle deck right there, which is why you see this shuffle button shuffles the deck, and then it will take a seed, and then it'll send the seed in. I do have a Easter egg seed, and I'll just put this out there right now for when I do complete this. The Easter egg is thank you. It is a thanks to the community that helped support me while I was making this app. I've still got a long ways to go before it's officially finished and I can let my friends test it, but we're in there. We are in there. Let's see now. But yeah, basically, if you click a draw button, draw a card, you draw a card. And if you click shuffle the deck, you shuffle the deck. And these numbers represent the cards in the deck in the order that they're in. So what I wanted to figure out today, again, like I said, was how the frick do how the heck do I get cards to snap into place? So let's figure that out together. Java, I guess, image, snap. Snap to edge effect. That's exactly what I'm looking for, actually. So, we did find a Stack Overflow thing. The problem is obviously underspecified. What does line up and edge mean? Take me some clarification. This code is neither clean nor particularly elegant or efficient. Blah blah blah. Set rectangles. How do I get something to snap to a particular edge? I guess that's what I should be thinking about. How do I... snapped edge, I guess. Because surely someone's figured this out before me, right? Let's see. Window snapper. Looks like I found some Java code here. It looks like it's getting like some kind of a dimension for a particular component. And then... Huh. What the fuck? What? This is kinda... This is a little more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. There's a lot of diagrams, holy smokes. Jesus Christ. I need a rectangle with rounded edges, or with rounded corners. Perfect. We're gonna use this. This image will be the image that I use to implement my my thing. So we're borrowing some rectangles off the internet. Give me 1 second to do a couple of things here. Actually, you know what? How about I just use this? Gray rounded rectangle PNG. Let's add the area where my basics, or where my bench should be. I will eventually make my own assets, but for now, we're just gonna do this. Add this. Okay, so now, pretty simple stuff. All I need to do is create a new icon. So we are going to go to our icon here. We're gonna call this, bench area. So this creates a variable, and I need to initialize that variable now. So let's go icon. So since I already created a name for this, I can just say, instead of creating a new icon like this, I can now just initialize it and say bench area is equal to new image icon, and I need the exact name of this thing, so I'm gonna rename this so that I don't have to call it that. Bench.png. I like that way better. That is so much easier to type. Bench.png. Okay, so we've created bench.png, And now we need to add that to something like a JLabel. Or somehow get the image to show up. So, once we've had a bench area, what we can do is I can add that. Where's Pokemon Battlefield? I'm actually really interested in where I made that. There's the seed box. There's the battlefield. So I created a JLabel, so I'm gonna have to do that again. JLabel Pokemon bench area equals new JLabel, and then in here we need to add the thing that we want, the icon. So we're just gonna add bench area. Yep. And I know the colors don't match here, and that is correct because I already I created the variable up here instead of down inside the actual constructor. So let's see. Now. Where was I? So we created this. I created a JLabel called Pokemon Bench Area. Now I kind of want to specify where that should go. And I get to figure that out the hard way. How can I do that? A lot of programming is just me asking myself, how the fuck do I do this? So, might be a little bit before I figure this out. So we create the JLabel. It has the image of the thing. Now I need to add that to the frame, and the frame gets added to the... No, you add it to the panel, and then the panel adds it to the frame. Yes. Yes, so game panel dot add, and then we'll add the bench area. I think we want, because the order does actually matter. So this is player 1 stack, this is player 2 stack, and I think we want to add this first, because now these cards can be put on top of this. Think of it as like a layer, right? You have a layered cake. This is the bottom of your cake, and this is the top of your cake. So it stacks up. So you do want this up here. Actually, in fact, this should probably be one of the first things that gets added. So we'll add that, but now we also need to tell where this needs to be, which is what this is. So I need to set its boundaries. And the way that we're going to do that is like so. Set bounds, and then for now I'm going to copy that. But I need to change size and width. So where did I make size? Okay, preferred size. Background size, like preferred size. I think I just need to change these to the constants that I made. So now, why are you not happy? Oh, because it's a double. I see. Okay. I'll need to cast this as like an integer, but I think for now. Actually, I kind of like the thought that it's like really close to the bottom, so the height should be multiplied by this. So I can copy. Oh shit! I can copy that there. A lot of programming is also trying to like be super efficient with your coding as well. So if you can reuse any code, you find, then you probably should try it. The seed field looks like this is really high up, or it's really close to the left. So I think we cast width as an integer and then see where that puts it, and then this actually needs to be like this for now, just for now. So now that we've told the program where we want that bench area to be, we add it to our game panel, and the game panel then gets added to the game frame, and then that gets shown. So let's see what this looks like. It probably looks like shit. Or it could just not look like anything at all. Why? Why does it not look like anything? That is really strange, actually. So this should just be some... Let's make the height like 0.5. Let's see where that puts us. I don't see the image yet. That's not particularly great. 3, and then the width should be multiplied by like 0.2. Let's just try that, because I need to figure out where this image is. There's that image. Okay. So now I'm gonna compare that with where I told it was. So 0.3 height is too high. I need that height to be a little lower. So we need that to be at like 0.7. And we can run the program again. There it is. Sick. Okay. I just realized that you guys probably can't see the program, so there it is. We're just slowly adjusting where this box is. I want that box to be in the middle of the screen, so I'm just going to keep on adjusting these values until I get where I want it to be. I could math it up and just be like, okay, it needs to be at this exact location, but fuck that noise. And then maybe I multiply this by 0.2, and then I cost that as it. So all of these need to be integers. Let's do it. It didn't even move. Holy frick, man. Why did it not want to move? Let's figure this out. Why didn't you move? I don't want that one to be height. I want this to be big. And then the height gets multiplied. This is... I think that's it. No, dude! What the fuck, man? Okay. Let's change some numbers. Hopefully we see it. Yeah. Nope. Okay, so the height of this was the height of player 2's deck, which means that it was there. So I need to multiply this by 0.2, and then the width was that. But now if I do this, I should be able to see it. Yes. Perfect. So this will change the x-axis, and this will change the y-axis of where that image is. And I think I want this to be a little bit further in. Okay, that's a little bit too far in. Close out of all the other instances here. Cool. Just slow. I'm just basically guessing and checking where these need to be. If I did this, is this a little too high now? It is a little too high. That's really funky how high that is. But I think it's in like the correct space width-wise, or just about. Now I need to put this where I need it to be. Okay, now I just can't fucking see it. 0.6? Where does that put that? Is it high up or higher down? That's basically where I want it! What the hell? Nice! Nice! This can just be height, and this can just be width. And I think the reason why that is because I don't think... Never mind, I lied. What does that do? What the fuck? Okay, well, I have it in the correct spot on my y-axis. Why is the height being all fucky, though? Let me read setbacks real quick. The x, the y, the width, and the height of the component, right? It resizes the component. Okay. What if I multiply the width by like 1.25? What happens? Does that image get stretched out? It should, right? Oh. Why is there a syntax issue here? Oh, because I'm not being... Yeah, so it's 0.01. Oh, shit. Let's do that instead. Okay, there's a little wide boy now. So it's a little wide. That's fine. It's a little wide. Okay. What if I make this 0.1? Okay. That's really fucking wide. Holy shit. Okay, it's a little wide. 0.2. And then what if I made it like 0.7? Because these two things adjust how big this guy is. And then this is how I adjust the x and y. So if I wanted this to be closer to the bottom, I would do that. Yeah, so now it's closer to the bottom. I don't want that, I don't want that. I need to figure out now how to stretch this image. So that would be this, I think. What's this look like? I'm really curious why that is. Why does it just disappear when I set it to 80% of the width? But it doesn't disappear if I do this. So now it should be better. Huh? What the fuck? Sometimes I hate programming because, like, what is this? Did I swap where my height and width should be? Oh my goodness. I did. There we go. Okay, okay, okay. My bad, my bad. We're back in it. Oopsies. Okay. So now that I know what I'm doing, that should make it wider. And then this should make it slightly taller. Numbers, there we go. Okay, now I want to like stretch that John out. How do I stretch an image? This is the position of the thing. What? Why does it do that? So now it's just this. Oh, it's. What the fuck? If I don't adjust the width, it's. There. Why? This means that it is like right up against the. Let me just read set bounds one more time. Set bounds sets the x and the y. Moves and resizes the components to conform to a new bounding rectangle x, or r. Components new specified by r.x and r.y. Its new size is specified by r.width and r.height. Okay. So this is my x, and this is my y. This is like the position, like I thought it was. So now, do I want this position to be like there? Okay. It is certainly somewhere now. Now where would that put it? Further on the right. Huh. That's like really close to the right. Where does that put that? So if I wanted this to not move and just be in the center, should it be this? Now it's just gone. You know what? Fine. Sure. Oh, do I? My bad. I was just joking. 7, 2. So that's 72% of the height of the screen, which is kind of perfect. That's kind of where I want it to be. Now I want to stretch this image. So I want to stretch that image. I would need to adjust the width. So now if I wanted to do and now it's over there. What? Okay, maybe I'm not understanding this method as well as I thought I did. just give this a hard number. Like 300. Oh, well, maybe not 300. 155 and like 30. What does that do? 155 and 30 is here. So this should just adjust the size of the rectangle that bounds the thing, right? So now if we just do... What if we just increased that? What happens then? I'm answering my own questions. Oh, okay. So now that's the true location of the thing then, right? So now if I wanted that to be a little bit closer to the middle, I would do something like this. Okay, I get it. I get it now. So this doesn't actually... These two numbers don't actually stretch the image at all. These two numbers, they change the rectangle that the image is bound inside so that you can crop the image in, but you can't stretch the image out. Is what's happening. That's really interesting. But hey, we have box now. Now I just gotta do that again. And then, hold on, wait. This is a terrible way of doing this. But if I make a bench area 2. So if I go back here and do JLabel bench area 2, this gives me JLabel bench area on. I can now move this a little bit further to the right, so let's say 0.6. And now I gotta add that to my frame. Add it to my panel, so game add bench area 2. And now that should be twice as long. Or maybe it's just twice as far away from the thing. Fuck, man! I want to combine these. Or maybe I just add a third one in the middle. I think that's what I do. We're making a panel 3, or Pokemon bench area 3. Doop, doop. Call it 3. And we're doing this. And then instead of that, what's in between that? 0.45, and then we'll have to add this, change that to 3, and then I'm gonna leave a comment saying that this is the bench area. So hopefully this does what I want it to do. What the fuck? Did I not? I didn't set the bound for 3. I set the bound for 2. Okay. Now this should work. Yes! It sort of works. I want these to be, like, basically touching, though. So that's really strange that they're not touching. I think this one just needs the width to be 600? They should be touching now? That's like pixels. Okay, it touches this. Maybe I need it to be a little bit further to the left, so do that. Oh, it's too close to the left. 2. That's fine. Now I can adjust the width to be like 650, so there's like 50 more pixels of that. There we go. We got a bench space. Oh my goodness, look at that. Hell yeah. It only took 9 iterations or something. Guys will look at this and go, hell yeah. Let's go, dude. now we got our boy, and then we got our bench here. Aw, fuck me. You can't see the card. Also, the top is not being... Okay, this is good testing, though. You cannot see the card above the thing, which means I need to put this behind these cards. So does that mean that instead of adding them here, I add them at the end of the deck? So we do that instead? No, visually it looks the same. Do we still get the bug? No, we don't! Let's go! Alright, bug fixing. Please work. This needs to work for every single card. Yes! Oh my goodness! So my hand... I should probably put the bench a little bit higher, because like your hand is supposed to be like here. Hand is like here, and then your bench should be like up a little bit more. So if I need to adjust the height, I'm not adjusting actually I should be adjusting this just a tad bit. I think this needs to be like 290 to get rid of the white border thing. And then I need to adjust the physical height of the thing. So this needs to actually be closer up, so I need to lower this number. Okay, now we got it. Now we got it. It should look something like this. There are... Well, I guess it doesn't matter. But... Is my Pokemon in the active? So if my active's here, my bench being this far down seems a little bit much, but... let's see here. So we'll draw my initial hand. Yeah. I guess it's time to add some more cards if I want to continue testing this, huh? I can still attach, that's good. Also, it's really convenient that this rectangle that I just made is literally the size of a Pokemon card. So that's pretty dope. That's pretty fucking sweet. Otherwise, that would be a total problem of its own, and I do not want to solve that problem. But we got there. Let's go. I think we find a PNG of Arceus V-Star, and chat, I need help. What's another Pokemon that I should add to the deck, just temporarily? It's not gonna be a permanent change. So, chat, I'm gonna need your help with this one. What Pokemon should I add? Y'all just let me know, and I'll make it happen. Lucario? Sure, I'll add a Lucario. You know what, we'll get real funny with it. We're gonna add a Lucario GX. Okay, we're gonna borrow this image. Lucario GX. And now I need to adjust size of image resizer. I also need to know how large these images are. Properties, it is... Fuck. I can at least find where I kept that file. Oh, let's go! Okay. I need to find the size. Okay, chat, I need to remember this number. 189 times 262. So let me type that in chat real quick so that I don't forget. So the number I need to remember is 189 times 262. So we're gonna need to remember that. We'll choose a file. We'll grab the file of the Lucario GX, and then we'll resize it to 189 by 262. Please work. Ah, fuck me. Okay, I forgot to change the image type to PNG so that we can preserve the details a little bit. Alright, hopefully. Oh my god, that's not it. Let's choose a file. Let's choose Lucario GX. And then we're gonna change it to a PNG. Start. Please work. Please work. Copy file. Okay. Now this is a Lucario GX. Sick, dude. Let's go. Okay. Let's create a Lucario GX. I also want to create an Arceus Restore, so let's create that real quick as well. We're gonna grab the gold one, because why the fuck not? So Arc Star, and then we'll need to convert that to the same dimensions. Arc V Star, and it was 189 by 262, I believe. Alright, hopefully this works now. Why'd the music stop? Oh, because my playlist ran out. It's already been an hour, that's crazy. Okay. So chat is seeing my program. Let's now add Arceus V Star Gold and Lucario GX Shiny. So now we will create these two cards. Shit. Oh my gosh. Arceus V Star Gold equals new image icon. And the name of it is copy paste that. And then the other thing was the Lucario GX Shiny is equal to image icon. We're creating the new Lucario card. And it's called Lucario GX.png. And I need to add a semicolon at the end and not be stupid. There we go. So these have been created, and now I need to add them into the game itself. Alright. And now I need to add this about a couple more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we added a couple more things here. That will be the backs of the cards, because I do need to add the backs of the cards as well. And then the backs of those cards change into the cards that I want. So now I need to set the boundaries for all of those to be the same. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This should be 8, this should be 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so now these have been told where they need to be. Now I actually need to add each of these into the game itself. By doing this game add. That's John. Now I just need to change the numbers a couple of times. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. Now those have been added. And now every time that something's been clicked on, I need to do this a couple more times. So this would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cool. Now I need to make that switch to the actual image icon. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're going to hear me say that a lot. And now, we just got to add the arts. So we'll make some of these new cards V-Star. So we'll make an 8 to V-Star, we'll make 11 to V-Star. Now I'm just seeding these to be purposely in this order. They will not only be in this order once I release the game. You will be able to fully shuffle those, one of those. That's probably fine. We'll have 3 Lucario shinies. And now I guess I should push back a couple more numbers here. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, because there are now 12 cards in deck. Again, left a comment here saying that this is for testing purposes only. I just need to know that this works. Okay, so now we've added our bench area. So all of this is our bench. And then it's next to our shuffle buttons and our draw button. I don't think I did miss something. I needed this. So without this line of code here, I'm not going to be able to click and drag the cards. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2. This needs to be 8. This needs to be 9. This needs to be 10. This is 11. And now, what that lets me do is that lets me click on the thing and then drag the thing, and then once I click on the correct card, it'll automatically switch over to the actual card that I drew into. So, with all of that out of the way, I believe we should be good to try this now. There's 1, 2, oh, I guess my hand's down here. Moment of truth. This next card needs to be an Arceus V-Star. Oh, it was a Lucario. Wait, where'd my Arceus V-Stars go? Why can't I see them? What the fuck? Hold up. So you guys couldn't see that because I turned off my monitor view. But now I need to figure out why I can't see Arceus V-Star. Why is that a thing? Is it because it's a WebP? That would be cringe if it was. Let me try this again. I need Dimonsin. We added the PNG. I can get rid of the WebP. So now the Arceus V-Star Gold needs to be PNG. I think I'll just name it Art V-Star. I think that should be fine. So we'll just refactor this, rename it to the Arceus V-Star. Okay. Save. Run it back. Please. Arceus V. Wow, that's crazy. I seeded it to do that. Arceus V-Star. Let's go, dude! Oh my goodness. Oh, let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, that's a problem. What is it? Why is it not on top? It's on top of this, but it's not on top of this. What the fuck? Huh? I see now. Okay. So now if So now I have to memorize the evolutions. I should probably name these something other than this. Okay, I will switch over to the monitor view shortly, but these cards actually... Oh my fucking god, wait. That's a bug that I need to figure out because I can't put the card on top of the other card. Huh. Because with the way that things are now, this spawns in later, so it's under this card permanently. But if I move this here, the evolution cards will always be above this card, but you're going to draw into these first, and that's bad. Because now the top deck should be a Lucario GX, or an Arceus V-Star, yeah. Interesting. Yo, don't ask what I'm cooking up. This is just... Yeah, but like, you kind of want the board state to look something like this, right? And then you drew into your thing, and then you can, like, you know, attach return, find a nest ball or something like that, right? Oh, whoa, crazy, DTE, that's so sick. Oh, boss's orders? Yo, that's busted. Yeah, so it should look something like this. Also, I think my bench is way too big. Because this can fit at least 6 cards. You can only have a 5 Pokemon bench. Unless I really fucking space them out. Like this. You know what? Spacing them out honestly doesn't look that bad. Anyway. That's kind of sick, actually. Okay, I said I would switch over to the monitor view so that you guys can also see what this looks like. So here we go. Let's run this game. Yeah. Oh, draw. Arceus V-Star. Alright, I'm gonna just start putting Pokemon into play. This bench is so crazy, man. V-Guard, Nest Ball, Double Turbo Energy, V-Guard again, Double Turbo, and Boss Accessories. But yeah, that's it. This is what it should look like, which is correct. It's just the problem is I need to figure out a way to... Oh my god. I didn't think about that. So, what I'm stressing out over is that the order that I add things into the game panel affects what card is on top. And that's an issue, because now I gotta figure out how to only keep evolutions on top and energy cards on the bottom, because these need to go behind the basic, while these need to go on top of the basic. Which means that when you draw into a card, if it's an evolution Pokemon, I need to program that so that it automatically jumps to a higher layer, is what I need to do. And that might be a little tricky. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this real quick. Copy that image. We'll save that for a little bit later. I feel like I made a little bit of progress on the sim for now. So let's do some fun stuff now. Let's get to Pokemoning. So I did just want to get a little bit of programming done and try to get this to look the way I wanted it to look. And indeed, it was a success. So I think it's Pokemon time. Let's do some Pokemon. We're gonna play some funny decks today, as per usual. And now I actually get to read chat. So now I can unpin my Twitch comment, saying that I'm not being paying attention. Yeah, maybe I can add a name command. We'll have to see how to do that, but enough thinking about the program. I think it's time to game. Let's do it. Let's do this. We're gonna be playing Sandy Doggos today. This deck, actually, you know, before you can start a game, I should probably explain what this deck does. Sandy Doggos, based around getting energies into the discard pile, and then I can use Sandy Shocks once I go down in prizes. Sandy Shocks can put energies into play, and then I can also use Koraidon to put energies in play, and then Hisuian Arcanine can just move all those energies onto itself and swing for 11 damage. So, the funny Nintendo music in the background, let's do it. Ooh, drawing. That's cool. Alright, Sandy Doggos. I need you to put in some work here. We're trolling the ladder with non-meta decks. Never lucky, man! Give me a basic, bro. Give me a basic. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know me. Give me a basic. I'm your best buddy. I can actually interact with chat now. That's a hell of a hand. Holy shit. That's actually so good. Wait, that's actually a busted hand. Okay, we'll start with Koraidon. Oh, we're playing against Miraidon? They're so bodied, bro. They're so cooked, man. It's over. This W's basically free. Give it to me, man. Miraidon's weak to fighting, so I need less energies in play. I'm already trying to think of ways I can beat this. Mew EX does kind of suck in this matchup, because I do kind of just lose to Mew EX. Mew EX is 2 times effective against my Koraidon. I don't know why they benched Iron Hands here. I don't think Iron Hands is going to be useful for them, but they do have the VMAX technology. Sure. If they evolve that into a Regieleki VMAX, that is a 3-pricer in play that I can take advantage of. That's all that means to me. And now I can get them to KO something like, yeah, I can get them to KO something like a Squawkabilly. So I need to find Squawkabilly here first. This hand would be incredible, but only if I have Squawkabilly in my discard pile. I must have that, or I lose. Okay, that's fine. This is fine. We can do this. We can do this. We can VIP pass for Squawkabilly and Arcanine. I think I'll switch card Squawkabilly into the active, because I want them to KO it. That's fine. And now... I think... let's research and then Squawk and Seize. That's probably pretty good, actually. So we can do this. We can get a couple of energies in play. I actually probably don't want to Squawk and Seize here. Just because I already have a Boss's Orders in the discard pile, and I do kind of just need everything else. So we'll just Dino Cry 1, 2. Or maybe it should have been 1, 2, or like spread amongst these somehow. Oh, they whiffed the generator? Okay, that's probably fine. They find the lucky VMAX? Okay. Not entirely sure how this is helping them. I get Ionoed into some pretty busted cards, actually. That's really good. I've got some really cool lines in play if they KO the Squawkabilly. I would like to see them KO the Squawkabilly because now I'll be behind in prizes. I can promote Arcanine. I can bench a Radiant Greninja, discard an energy, draw 2, Professor Sada's Vitality to put more energies into play, start powering up the second Arcanine, and I should be good. Should be. Devolution TM! Shit, dude! Relax. Okay. We'll promote the Arcanine. You know what? Maybe we don't even play the Greninja. What if I did this? Because now I can put 2 energies into play. Now I can research. That's pretty decent. Bravery Charm can go on this. And now I have a free retreater in play. And now this should just easily KO this Raikou. In fact, I can be as greedy as KOing this Regieleki. If I can get one more energy into play here. There we go. Wait, oop, my bad. I need to move these energies around, oops. Like this. I'm stupid. Sorry, opponent. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Now we can hit for 420 and KO the Regieleki VMAX. And now they don't have anything that can KO my Arcanine. Which is really good. I'm in such a good spot right now. Because 280 is really hard for Miraidon to hit. Okay, they got the lightning on the Miraidon. Probably fine. This turn I have Earthen Vessel away fighting energy, get that energy into the discard pile. It's probably fine. Oh, interesting. Going for the Sandy Shocks KO here. That's probably fine for them. Now they're ahead in prizes. I can do this. I can Earthen Vessel away this to find 2 more energies here. I can Magnetic Absorption and energy from the discard into play. Maybe we don't Nestball for the second Shocks. I think we'll throw down an Arcanine and we'll put Box of Disaster on it. Put this energy in play. And then we'll Gutsy Pickaxe for a Sealstone, fine, but I don't really think I need it. And now I can move an energy from this onto this Arcanine, and then this onto this Arcanine. And now this is all kind of preventing them from taking a KO. I can do KO here. They can Iono me, but all I need is one more KO, and I just win. So, they better have a response. They need Boss's Orders in the hand to win, so I'm just gonna say they don't have it. We'll see if they got it. There's a Lightning Energy. Don't think they got the Boss's Orders, because they would have played it already, so we might still be in here. There's a Zapdos. Zapdos could win them the game if they can somehow power up that Zapdos. I think, right? Oh no, it's only 90 to one of the bench. I thought it was 120 to one of the bench. Oh, they just had the Boss's Orders. That's unlucky, man. They were slow rolling. That's really annoying. That's fine. We get unlucky every now and then. We run it back. I think I misplayed there by putting the Squawkabilly in play because I didn't even use it. So maybe against that deck in particular I don't use Squawkabilly. I only lost there because of Boss's Orders, so I think I probably would have been in a pretty good position to win if they didn't have Boss's Orders. I needed Hand Disruption, is what I needed, and I didn't get that, unfortunately. So, that's fine. We brushed it off and we play another game. Here we go. Do I want to go first or second? I think I want to go first. But I'm gonna choose to go second here because I think this is Roaring Moon. Just because their deck box and sleeves are all like Roaring Moon stuff, so I'm pretty happy I chose to go second. If I find a supporter, this hand would not be dead. So that'd be kinda sick. That'd be real sick. Real cool. Oh, they're just filling up their bench. Holy smokes, man. What is this? The Oricorio? No, fam. There's no way. I mean, sure. Fine. Darkrai V-Star, Bidoof, Brute, Bonnet, Oricorio? What is this? Bro's been in the lab. Gutsy Pickaxe. Oh, Nest Ball first. It's probably correct to Nest Ball first. Yeah, the Squawkabilly. We actually do need to use it this time, so it's not a misplay. Fine, it's Squawkabilly. And then I think I'm okay with Earth and nestling away some stuff. Arven here's pretty good. Arven can find us Nest Ball and some other goodies. I think I prefer Research though. So maybe I put the Bravery Charm on this, make the Sandy Shafts a little harder to KO. I don't think I want more energy in the discard pile, so we'll just Squawk and Seize this away. This is really fun. We find Koraidon, not exactly ideal. I guess we could attach here. I need to find something. Energy, sure, we'll throw that on Koraidon, that's fine. Iono. Dig a little bit more. We find the VIP pass. Thank goodness, man. I was about to shit if we didn't find the VIP pass. Now I can fill up my bench. Now we can cook. Now I can collapse Stadium away my Squawkabilly. Make this less of a problem. I can Irresistible Force onto Arcanine here. And then Irresistible Force onto this Arcanine over here. Done, done, done. And now I can Dino Karate both of these Arcanines here. Beautiful. That was the ideal start. That was so sick. We got the Collapse Stadium just in time to get rid of our Squawkabilly EX. That gets a low health 2-pricer out of the way, so Support Mon did its job, and now it's out of here in the discard pile. Let's see what they can whip up next, because they're gonna need quite a lot to win this matchup. I believe the Collapse Stadium also makes it a little bit... Yeah, they get less cards for pop-up, so that's good. Vitality onto the Brute Bonnet? Is the Bonnet going in? Ain't no way, right? There's no way the Bonnet goes in here, right? There's no way. No shot. Ooh. Ooh. Ultra Ball, probably for the... I don't know what their hand is like, but I would... What?! There's a Comfey and a Bibarel? No, dude. What did... What? What the fuck? What is this? Darker is weak to grass. I am also weak to grass. Why didn't they pop up? They probably should have. That's okay. We research. Oh, that's kind of sick, actually. We'll do this, this, and we'll move one more energy over to this, so I can attack. And then I think it's correct to hold Town Store because I don't want to give them the Ancient Booster Energy Capsule for their Brute Bonnet. So we'll make them dig for it. Although I would like the Bravery Charm on this Arcanine, I think we can tank a hit. They need to get so much energy in to be able to KO this Arcanine. Yep. So now we are big chillin'. First KO of the game. Vitality is massive here, actually. I got 2 Sandy Shocks in play. If I can get some more energies in the discard pile, that would be massive. Needed to stretch there. Okay, they're Dark Energy onto the Darkrai. If I beat this deck, what do I even say I beat? Because I don't know what this deck is. They had the advanced Oricorio Comfy technology. I love that emote so much, the Dino Dance emote. That's real cute. Very, very cute. Oh, it's Roaring Moon. That's crazy. They had the Oricorio tech and the Comfy. They need a lot here. I would love to find Boss's Orders, actually. Oh, I can just find Boss's Orders. What if I just KO'd Roaring Moon? Actually, this Darkrai's about to go in for 90 damage. 120 damage. Something like that. Okay. Sure. We'll let my opponent cook here. Okay. Pop off, King. Go use your V-Star ability. I think you're right. Their deck isn't very... Their board state isn't very well established. It looks like they used their V-Star power early to grab a Dark Patch, but they don't have any energies in the discard pile unless they discard off with Ultra Ball, which I can see them doing. I actually want them to KO this Arcanine because it puts energies into the discard pile. I can use Vitality to promote, or to get more energies back into play, and then I can promote the Hisuian Arcanine down here, grab Boss's Orders, KO a Roaring Moon. Claw? What the? What is this deck, bro? Dude's using the Roaring Moon single Comfey, single Cloth, single Brute. What the hell is this? Dude just bamboozled me. Man went Ultra Ball for a Cloth? Holy shit, man. Homie actually grabbed the effing crab. No way, dude. F5 energies in play, they're only doing 180. Whereas I can do so much better than 180. I can do 210. I think we'll get rid of a Sandy Shocks here to find some more energies. I can attach an energy here. I can now use my Star Alchemy. Find boss's orders. Because Roaring Moon is actually a problem. I cannot KO Roaring Moon very easily, so I need to use boss's orders to KO Roaring Moon. So we'll do that. They'll return KO me with Darkrai or something, which is fine. I can still get energies into play. I want to be behind on prizes. So I found an energy, that's good. They should just promote Darkrai here, that's fine. I can Sada's Vitality. I'm ahead in prizes, which kind of sucks, because now I can't use my Sandy Shocks, but that's okay. Maybe patching the darkness. Maybe using Dark Patch. 2 Dark Patches down, 2 Vitality down, 1 Boss down, 3 Research down. They found another Darkrai V-Star. Okay. Honestly, if I lose to this deck, shame on me. I should not be losing to this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We might be in some deep doo-doo here. Not gonna lie. They're just gonna do 180 again, which is probably fine. Let's try to figure out a way back in this, though. Okay. I will definitely... I'm behind on prizes? Oh, I don't need to be behind on prizes. They just need to have 4 fewer prizes. Okay, no, we're still in this. Okay, I can... Magnetic Absorption twice, once per Sandy Shocks. I can Sada's Vitality, 1 onto each Sandy Shocks. I can Irresistible Force onto this. So now I'm doing 240, and now I'm doing 270. That's so good. And now I need to KO that. And now Now I think we're just big chillin', actually. Do they have a response? They need to somehow get... what is it? 230 divided by 30. They need to get 8 energies into play if they want to one-shot this. Or somehow power up a Roaring Moon. And there are 2 Roaring Moons in the discard pile. I'm still shook that there's a freaking... There's 1 Comfey and 1 Oricorio here. They're actually brewing. Anyway. Okay, let me cook. Attached an energy to the cloth. Dark Patch onto the Brute Bonnet. Okay. That's their last Dark Patch, though, I think. Yes, it is their final. Fuck. Am I crazy? Oh, that's their third Dark Patch. Shit, not bad. They've already attached for turn. I don't think they can get 8 in this turn. Not without Vitality. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. Pause. Oh, boss's orders? Okay, never mind. I think we're chilling. They decided to use boss's orders. For Karido. Maybe they're going for the boss stall. If they're going for the boss stall, I have one in hand if it's switch card. Looks like I'll be taking some poison damage here. They're going Dark Pulse for 180, I take an extra 10 from poison. Sure. Well, bud, I hate to say it to you, but you were your own downfall. Why would you poison yourself? I do 270 damage. This is free. Yeah, we need to... There are too many cooks in the kitchen. This guy was the too... That guy... We need to get him out of the kitchen. Too many cooks in the kitchen. Too many. Yes, yes. GG's. GG's. Indeed. I'm starting to run low on credit. I should probably scan in like the 300 code cards that I have lying behind me. Cracked a pack. Does not look like I got anything new, so that's chill. Sandy Doggo putting in the freaking work, though. Let's go. And we run it back. Let's do it. I think I do want to go first here. Only because turn 1 attack is not always guaranteed. It's actually fairly difficult to get with this deck. This hand kind of freaking sucks, actually. Ice Rider Calyrex. You shouldn't have. I got no energies, man. I don't got it like that. Usually turn 1, you're supposed to get energies into discard pile, use Dino Cry to get some energies into play, but unfortunately could not make it happen. So it looks like we're just gonna have to force them onto the odd prizes. Or force them onto the lead by letting them take a KO. Ice Rider Calyrex can do 250 with its max lance attack. So, yeah, gonna have to play strategically from behind, which is why the counter catchers are in here. This sucks. I think we have to town store for Forest Sealstone, which can find us Professor's Research. I think that's just how it's gonna have to go here. There are 2 researches, a Countercatcher, and another boss in deck. It is quite unfortunate that I have to discard a boss and a Countercatcher. But to stay in the game, we kind of have to. So, this is my best play right now, and we're just going to do it. And sometimes the best play doesn't get us where we want it to get. Which is, you know, it is what it is. I can probably lost vacuum this away now, though. Get the town star out of here so that they can't use it. I'll attach here. And we'll let them take the KO there, I think. That's fine. In hindsight, I think I actually should have attached to the active, because if the active gets KO'd, then I can save its Vitality. But they might Iona me. I don't think they will, but, yeah, they definitely have the KO here. That's unfortunate. Interesting. We'll promote the Arcanine. God damn, dude. This is actually so bad. That's really bad. Okay, yeah, I think we lost this game because we bricked. No energies. Should I have played it out? No, probably not. I think it's just better to scoop and move on. So, we have more time to play more games. Hell yeah. Is this the same person? This avatar looks really familiar. But maybe because all the avatars look literally identical. Is it the same person? I mean, hey, if it's the same person, we'll show them what we got. I guess I'll know if the deck is the same. Okay, hand's kind of gas. Got a Fear Treater. Though I'd like this to be in my hand for me to use it, but that's fine. Mew EX, sure. We're in there, I think. Earthen Vessel? Yup, it's the same player. Oh my goodness. There's no way, man. No shot. Radiant Greninja, sure. Escape rope, not the rope, bro. Alright. We can do this. We can do... Oh, we're so fucking in there, man. We'll go with this and this. Oh, gutsy big axe. Onto you. Yes. Iono. So I want to see a new hand. And get some energies in the discard. That's actually kind of perfect. That's actually pretty sick. This. This. Go on, do this. Get rid of these. We do lose out on the collapse. That's probably fine. Squawk and Seize. New hand. Oh yes. Oh yes. We're in there. Let's go. We're playing the game this time. We are playing the game this time. If they Gust KO Squawkabilly, so be it. Now I'm behind on prizes. That's exactly where I like to be. In the early stages of the game. Late stage, I want to be winning. Early stage, I'll let them take a KO or two, you know? Irida. Probably finds Palkia V-Star or something. Cross Switchers! Aw, shit. No, dude. What are you gonna Cross Switcher? Surely the Squawkabilly, right? Because that's all you have enough to KO. Okay, go ahead. Cross Switchers. What are you gonna choose? Squawkabilly. Okay, that's fine too. If you think you can KO me, go for it. Star Purtle early? Sure. That's fine, bud. That's fine. Okay. We're in it. They didn't even KO! What was the point of that sequence? Oh my god, man. Now I can do this. Now I can do this. Now I can switch out of this into this. Now I can Iono? God, we're so fucking in there. Okay. Irresistible Force. Onto you and onto you. Discard this, find 2 more energies. I think we'll tell the story here as well. For the Seal Stone. I think we can Seal Stone here, so let's use Star Alchemy before they do the funny. I think we'll grab Research. Yeah, we'll grab Research off that. And we'll hold the Research, and we'll just swing for 240. Now they need to fill up their whole bench, and they still only do like 260. What tools do they use? Surely none, right? Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, there's no way Palkia uses any tools. I have Palkia built. I can look at it right now if I wanted to. It's to my right. Discarding the Suicune's interesting to me. I think the Suicune's gonna be much more useful to them than any other Pokemon. Maybe they just want to go all in on the Palkia, though. Oh! You know? That is a problem. The Tomb? Not a fan. Not a fan of the Tomb. But that's not stopping me. I don't think that's gonna stop me. Spiritomb might stop my Arcanines, but I can still attack with Sandy Shocks. And Koraidon. Sure. That's fine. Yeah. Let's see. It's 1 AM and you have uni lectures early? Unlucky. I still have 2 weeks until I go back to uni, so... I got an idea. We'll do this. So let me cook. I'll bench the Zapdos. We'll put 2 energies on the Zapdos. And we'll attach return here. Retreat. Then I can put Bravery Charm on this guy. And now we'll Zapper Kick to KO Palkia V-Star. And we will not discard the energies because I kind of need them there. 1, 2. Melanie, okay, makes a lot of sense. Calyrex, Heavy Ball for Lumineon. Their bench is kind of full right now. Energy Switch. Okay, that's cool. Energy Switch onto the Greninja? Sure. I think that's pretty neat. They'll KO Hisuian Arcanine on the bench, and then they'll put 90 somewhere. Yeah, that's probably fine. Now that they have 2 prizes gone, I can now do this. Do this, charm here. I don't think I want to research, actually. I think I only want a Zapper Kick, but I'll paralyze them. Actually, this is a pretty difficult position to be in. So now I don't have Seal Stone to find a boss KO Spiritomb. How many Vitalities do I have left in deck? I guess I have a couple left. That's pretty good. I can do that. They have already used their V-Star power, so they're not attacking this turn. Not that I can think of anything. They could Melanie, I guess. Which probably means we do have to... Maybe Dino Cry here. Maybe this is a Dino Cry turn. This is a retreat into Zapdos Dino Cry turn. They're thinking. Okay, okay. Maybe we do got him. Interesting. Concealed cards. Melanie? Maybe? Irida? Sure? Calyrex VMAX, that's fine. Super Rod, probably some energies back in. 1, 2. Sure, 2 energies. That's fine. This is gonna be a close match. This is gonna be a tough match for sure. They found the Palkia V-Star. I do need to get rid of their Spiritomb though. That is a massive liability. That's really annoying, actually. They draw onto 1 card, sure. What's the plan? The plan is probably to attach KO using Calyrex. But I need to get rid of the Spiritomb. So now I can go retreat to Zapdos. Oh wait, the double free retreat's actually kind of wicked. Boss's orders on the Spiritomb. I can Magnetic Absorb, because this actually does matter. Putting energy into play, that way once I KO this, this goes down, I can Magnetic Absorb again, Vitality, and then move the Arcanine up, and then I will have game, probably. Not having KO here kind of sucks, though. Not gonna lie. So I think we Zapper Kick, and then we just discard energies to paralyze it. So now they have to attach retreat. Well, they have to attach retreat, right? Yes, we'll do that. So now they can't attach retreat. I have to force them to get a switch option like Escape Room. And they've already played 2. And they also played 2 cross switchers. So now they have to have the other set of cross switchers to be able to switch Pokemon. Okay. Do they have the cross switcher play though? We'll have to see. Okay. Oh, dude, we're so in there, I think. We can Vessel now. Find some energies. I can Magnetic Absorption here. Also, Vitality. We can move some energies next turn. Now I think we just want to retreat and KO with Arcanine, because they don't have anything powerful enough to KO Arcanine. Even Ice Red or Calyrex cannot KO Arcanine. So now I'll take the KO here. One. And if they promote the Calyrex, I think we just win. I think they need to get a Chien-Pao off here. They need 2 energies onto the Chien-Pao, and I don't know how they're going to do it. And I have 8 energies in place, soon to be 9. 8 times 30, 240, plus 90 is 330, so like just enough to KO the Calyrex. I mean, they used Melanie, so they missed the hand disruption here. All I have to do is Boss's Orders, use Irresistible Force, and win. The only way they can stop me is they Super Rod back Spiritomb, And they also have a Nest Ball to find Spiritomb and play Spiritomb. That's like the only way they can stop me from winning. They're gonna Vessel for 1 water. Sure. Vessel for a water. I should probably change my thing to Pokemon now. There we go. Lost Vacuum. Oh no! They had the Lost Vacuum. That freaking sucks, man. So now I can't win this turn. I didn't think they had the Lost Vacuum play. That's unfortunate. Alright, later. Thanks for swinging by. Appreciate it. What can I do now? I'll do that for now. So I have 5 energy in play 5 times. Let me read the freaking card, man. 240. I can Magnetic Absorption, at least. Brings my damage up a little bit. That's 6 energies in play. 6 is 270 though. This is probably just a Dino Cry turn, and then hope they don't have it. I have 8 energies in play. That is enough. That's 330. But now they just cannot have Attach Return, Cross Switcher play or something. But their hand is massive, so I wouldn't be surprised if they just naturally had the Cross Switchers. That's so unlucky, dude. Oh my god. That really sucks, man. That Spiritomb really put in some work for them. Tomorrow's Locals Day, and I plan on taking Rotom to Locals with me, so let's play a little bit of Rotoms, I guess. Okay, starting my ride on. This will probably be my last game for the night before I head out and kind of chill, watch some anime. Looks like I'm going first. That's fine. Do this. Throw an Experience Share, TM Blindside. Maybe we'll Heavy Ball, see what's up in the prizes. Prizes aren't terrible. 2 energies, 3 tools, and a research is perfectly fine. We'll instant charge here. Wow, this hand sucks. This hand literally could not be any worse. Shinpao is actually a really hard matchup for me. Just because of that. That double Frigibatics really sucks, dude. That's okay. Also, the Alolan Vulpix kinda sucks here too. Kinda bodies my Rotoms. So I'd have to like 3-hit KO it with one freaking Cramorant. That's terrible. Yeah, that Alolan Vulpix is gonna be causing issues. You know what? I'm okay with that. Retaining unit for another Rotom. Then the deck just that a little bit more research. I need something here, game. Come on. We'll town store to find Turbo Energize, though. There we go. Turbo Energize. Attach onto here. And then we'll also Turbo Energize. Onto you. And you. Oh, actually, that should have gone onto this. I'm throwing. Vitality Band, sure. 130 damage if they have an energy here. That's cool. Unless they just happen to have the natural rare candy into Excalibur. But they also just need Irida here. There's a pretty high chance that they have Irida in hand, right? Arven finds rare candy, I guess? Or Ultra Ball? Okay, Arven finds just the rare candy. Natural rare candy Excalibur. Oh! Oh yeah, that makes way more sense actually. A Pidgeot EX. Sure. Rare candy Excalibur. Alright, they got there. That fucking sucks, I'm not gonna lie. If they start bad enough that Alolan Vulpix, I might just scoop this game and then end stream there, unfortunately. Just because I don't have a response to Alolan Vulpix. Yeah. I don't got a response to Alolan Vulpix. Yep, I don't have a response to Alolan Vulpix. Alright. I hate to end on a loss like that, but that's just really frustrating. I'm feeling kind of tilted. I'll be straight up. Yeah, that's just really unfortunate that I just happened to run into Alolan Vulpix. But it is what it is. I'm gonna hop offline. I'm probably gonna start inputting code cards actually. But thank you all for hanging out with me. Thanks to all the new people that swung by. I really appreciate everyone taking a look at some Pokemon and some programming. Yeah, I will see you all around. Bye.